discuss mobile robot. So in here, alright, in here the students will just use touch sensor to detect obstacles, to detect objects. And then cross shifter 2, just now I noticed, can I have the, where's the base? If you put the base here, and then put the object on the top, if the robot bang, can I directly grab, or should I move backward a bit?
Backward a bit.
You need to move backward a bit. Okay?
The base will be.
But don't tell this to the students, because if you grab directly,
All of the base.
the base might hit, the grabber might hit the base. Okay? But don't tell this. I mean, this is just
Let
the
them figure it out.
yes configuration or the output. You let them discover that should you want to move backward a bit before you grab, and then move backward. Just like it with Miss Marina just say just now, it's easy. It's just moving forward, bang the object, and then collect, go or deliver to other places. Okay? Question is, you say this one is similar to our cross shifter 1. Can we ask the students to start to do not dismantle the cross shifter and just add this part? Gaya ng ginawa nyo kahapon?
Tinanggal namin yung one part kasi medyo nalito kami.
Yes.
Existing na. Pero kung halimbawa, ang gulang naman, yung touch sensor, pwede nang magawa ng way yung bata to modify the touch sensor or yung ma-attach na dun sa robot.
Oh,
Hindi
okay.
kinakailangan actually
Gayahin
build
yung
from scratch. Kasi I think possible na makaya na.
Yes. But if you ask them to build or to attach the touch sensor in front, the base might not work for all of the touch sensors. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Itong base na to is have a 3 beam height and it's specifically designed for this touch sensor configuration. If you put the touch sensor in the middle, dito sa middle ng pro, and put it somewhere, baka hindi mag-work yung base attachment. So that's a factor. You need to tell them. Design their own base or just build a cross shifter tools from scratch. Kasi I noticed you yesterday, hindi nila binuo from scratch. And that's also okay for me. It's okay. But you need to tell them if you want to, okay, start building from step number 17. Do not dismantle your cross shifter. Might cause confusion. Okay? Next. Oh, sorry. Next. With robots. Any questions?